What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Sess Builds. Today we are going to try to diagnose the DRLs on the car. They are throwing a code. They do work. The DRLs work. The low beams work. The turn signals, not so much. It throws me another code. And yeah, so I'm gonna take them out, see what's up, and try to put them back in. If not, then I'll go back to stock. See, so the lights do work. We'll show you inside what I'm getting. I got an error, but everything works. You know, the only thing that doesn't work is the yeah, so when it's set to auto on here, you can't, they don't work, they don't turn on. Okay, so I'm gonna try and use my turn signal, see what happens. Malfunction. Look at this. To the left. Same thing. Malfunction. So let's take this car apart and work on those DRLs, because it looks cool, but it's very annoying. So, I gotta be honest, I really don't like jacking up the car, taking off the wheels. And yeah, it's kind of like annoying for me. But you gotta do what you gotta do, because this thing's annoying. So, I just washed these today, because they smell pretty bad. They smell like years of hard work. And now, clean. Super clean. Yeah, so don't forget to unlock your car before jacking it up. Hello? Okay, so this is the stock DRL. Everything looks, the connectors look clean, everything looks good. Now the aftermarket one, I'm noticing some patches here. There's a patch here. There's a little bit of like a gluish patch over here too. Around the corner. See right there, corner right. Next to the LED, there's like a patch of glue. I don't know if it burned off and it malfunctioned, but it doesn't look as clean as the OEM. And I installed the right one, yeah. So right to right, left to left. See? So I didn't cross them. Something's just up with these. In other news, some packages came in today, and they are from our next sponsor. I haven't opened them yet. I was waiting for you guys to open them. So let's open them, shall we? Let's see. So I know what it is. It's more carbon fiber, because I just can't get enough of it. More carbon. You know what this is? No, because it looks weird. So this is the replacement for the ECU cover in the engine bay. So one piece. Let's open up the other one because we got two. I'm so excited for this. You guys have no idea. I've been waiting and waiting weeks for this, and it's finally here. So excited. Oh yeah. Look at this. Oh, beautiful. Shall we install it today? Why not? I'm waiting for the seller from the DRLs to hit me back up. So in the meantime, might as well get these things installed on the car. Looks dry carbon. This is nice. Super nice. Yeah, let's get it. Let's do it. So, two pieces to install. First one, right here. Second one, ECU cover, right there. Should be very easy. I'll probably start with this one and then I'll move my way up to this one. I did have to go out and the car's still relatively warm, so I don't feel like touching it. Yeah, it's pretty hot. So maybe I'll give it some time. I'm gonna turn on the fans and I'll give it some time. right, well, update on the lights. I was talking to the seller, and after a little bit of troubleshooting, we came to the conclusion that they are faulty, which I knew, but they wanted me to troubleshoot them. So they are gonna send a new pair whenever they come in, and I'm gonna have to do this again, take everything out and install them. But yeah, so we'll take the opportunity and we'll go ahead and work on the engine bay. We have some new carbon pieces sent over, so let's go ahead and do that right now. All right, so first things first, ECU cover. We're going to replace it with this nice carbon cover. I should maybe put on gloves so I don't ruin everything. So, 1 second. Very easy. Let's move on to the big guy over here. So apparently there's 2 bolts that are hidden in here. So I'm gonna have to take off the rest of the trim and figure this out. Stock part is out. Let's go ahead and transfer these plastic tabs into the new piece, and yeah, pretty straightforward, very easy. So these are clips. It has 4 clips. We'll just take them out carefully and transfer them over to the new part. Okay, so there are little kind of notches right here. So the best thing I found was to press, push, and it'll just pop right off. Very easy. So this was sent to me by INDIV. I will link them below. All right, it's a wrap. We did a little bit of carbon work on the engine bay today, and we're going to switch out the modules when they come in for the DRLs. For now, like, subscribe if you haven't, and tell me what you're working on. See ya.